Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to sow tomatoes to get quick germination and to ensure that the seedlings grow strong and healthy. First, you need to soak the tomato seeds in water for at least an hour. Then take 2 cotton pads, put the soaked seeds on them, cover with another pad, moisten them and leave them for 1 day. This is to speed up the germination of the seeds. Then we need a container. The thickness of the container should be at least 5 centimeters. In such a container, we can keep our seedlings longer before transplanting. Then we take a regular bag, open it and put it on the bottom. And this is necessary in order to transplant the seedlings quickly and easily. In this way, we do not damage the root system of the plant, it quickly takes root and will not get sick. As you can see, this is the transplanting of last year's seedlings. All the seedlings easily survived the transplantation, took root very quickly and eventually gave a large harvest. Then we fill the container with nutritious purchased soil, which will germinate very quickly and it will be very convenient for young seedlings to grow, because the soil from the garden has many pests and diseases. Also, the soil from the garden is very dense and it will be difficult for the root system to develop in such soil. The soil also needs to be compacted so that it does not sag after watering, and the main thing we need is a paper towel or toilet paper. We put it on top of this soil, and I have also drawn the distance between the rows and between the seeds for you to see. You don't need to draw like this, just follow these dimensions. I keep a distance of 5 centimeters between the rows and 2 centimeters between the seeds. This is necessary so that when the seedlings germinate and grow in this container until transplanting, they do not shade each other, do not compete for light and moisture, and grow powerful, not elongated. If you plant them denser, there will be problems, and if you make the distance larger, there will be no space savings, and these are the optimal distances. Now we take the seeds and put them in the right places. The seeds have become thick after soaking and will soon germinate. If you are sowing dry seeds, it is better to moisten the napkin right away, it will stick to it better. After I moistened it, the seeds stuck even better. And now we need to add a centimeter layer of soil to the container. First, I sprinkle all the seeds so that they do not move, and then I add soil and also compact the soil well, because it must be in contact with the seeds so that they also germinate quickly. And why do you need a centimeter layer of soil on top of the seeds? This is the optimal thickness so that the tomato sprout can get rid of the seed coat, because if you make the layer thicker, it is no longer economical and the sprout will take a long time to germinate. If you make the layer thinner, then it will germinate quickly, but will not have time to get rid of this coat, and it will be very difficult for it to release the cotyledon leaves. It will grow crooked and elongated. Now we drain the soil well again, and now I put this container in a warm, dark place. The temperature should be about 25 degrees Celsius. With this kind of cultivation, the tomatoes will germinate very quickly, because the paper I put down serves firstly to prevent the seeds from sinking deeper into the soil, and also this paper holds moisture very well. The seeds will be in a humid environment and will germinate quickly, and the paper will decompose in the soil in a few weeks and nothing will remain of it. And we get seedlings on the 3rd day of growing in this way, but then we put the seedlings on the windowsill where it is already warm, or in a rack under the lamps. Don't miss the release of new videos. I will show you everything later and tell you in detail. I wish you a good day and fast germination, and I will see you in the next videos.